Are you a UK expat living abroad and already feeling the pressure of the January tax deadline? Here's some good news: the holiday season might actually be the perfect time to get ahead. Between travel plans, family gatherings, and the general end-of-year rush, tax returns are usually pushed aside. But for expats, that delay can lead to unnecessary stress, missing documents, or even penalties. In this video, I'll guide you through exactly how to use your holiday downtime to prepare, organize, and even file your self-assessment tax return smoothly. No panic, no last-minute chaos. So grab a cup of tea, take a breath, and let's make this the easiest tax season you've ever had. Let's be honest, January arrives faster than any of us expect. And if you're a UK expat, it can feel even more overwhelming when you're juggling travel plans, time zones, and everyday life abroad. But here's the advantage you might not have realized: the holiday season gives you something incredibly valuable: time. Time to get organized, time to gather documents, and time to avoid the last-minute scramble that so many people face in January. During the holidays, HMRC helplines and most software support are still open, which means you can get help if you need it. You also give yourself space to catch missing records, fix outdated information, and plan properly without the pressure of the deadline breathing down your neck. Filing early isn't just convenient, it's strategic. It protects you from penalties, reduces stress, and gives you complete control over your tax season. When you're living abroad, your UK tax position depends on one thing: residency status. But residency isn't just where you sleep at night. HMRC looks at your ties to the UK, how often you return, and the purpose of those visits. If HMRC classifies you as a UK resident for tax purposes, you must declare your worldwide income. That includes foreign earnings, rental income, overseas pensions, and even savings or investment returns. If you're a non-resident, you may still need to file, especially if you earn from UK property or investments, or if HMRC has issued you a notice to file. The key takeaway here is simple: your residency determines your tax obligations. So before you start your return, make sure you understand where you stand under the statutory residency test. It's the foundation for getting everything else right. Now let's look at the income expats must report. If you're still earning from the UK, whether through employment, rental property, dividends, or investments, HMRC expects to see it on your self-assessment. And if you're classed as a UK resident for tax purposes, then your worldwide income comes into scope too. This includes foreign salaries, freelance income, overseas pensions, and interest earned anywhere you bank. The golden rule is simple. If HMRC considers you a resident, nothing stays off the radar. Report everything accurately, and you'll avoid penalties later. UK expats often run into the same tax mistakes, and avoiding them can save you serious stress and money. The most common issue is missing the filing deadline, which triggers an immediate £100 penalty and increases the longer you wait. Filing early is always safer. Another frequent problem is not reporting all taxable UK income. Rental profits, savings interest, dividends, or freelance earnings tied to the UK must still be declared, even if you live abroad. Some expats also forget that foreign income may still be taxable if you're UK domiciled or meet residency rules. Location alone doesn't determine liability. There's also the error of using incorrect exchange rates. HMRC expects a consistent figure, ideally their average yearly rate, when converting overseas earnings. And finally, poor record keeping. With making tax digital becoming the norm, keeping clear digital records is essential and will make your return far smoother. Filing your UK tax return from overseas doesn't have to be complicated. A few smart habits can make the whole process smoother. Use cloud-based tools so your documents are always accessible, wherever you are. Set a reminder for January 20th, it's the last safe window before delays start. File even if you own nothing, it keeps your HMRC record clean. And always back up your documents for at least 5 years, because HMRC can request them anytime. The key is simple. Stay organized, stay digital, and stay ahead. Whether you're living in Europe, the Middle East, Asia, or anywhere else in the world, one thing stays the same: the self-assessment deadline won't wait. So use this holiday season to get ahead. Organize your documents, avoid the rush, and file before January 31st so you can start the new year stress-free. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for weekly UK tax guidance built specifically for expats. Stay prepared, stay compliant, and stay in control of your tax journey. Thanks for watching. Visit selftax.co.uk for simple, secure, and expert-led UK tax filing wherever you are in the world.